So on our last big ride out, part of my bike decided to depart for pastures new on the A69. The right hand rear fairing, I think is what it's called. It was cracked. I needed to get it repaired. The plan was to get it plastic welded on the next big service, but that's due in a couple of months. And anyway, riding down the road, Sarah's on the headphones. Does something come off your bike? It turns out it was this cracked rear fairing, must have come loose, and off it went, never to be seen again. So I've scoured eBay, I've phoned a breaker yard up, cannot find a replacement part that's the same colour. There's plenty of white ones, there's green ones, there's black ones, there's this graphite, matte graphite on the left hand side. I can find that one, but not the right hand side. Incidentally, lots of left hand components, so I don't know whether a lot of bikes get hit or damaged on the right hand side and the left ones are available. Anyway, it looks like we're going to have to go off to Triumph Newcastle today and get a OEM part ordered. They did give me a price for one, which was eye-watering to say the least. Not a lot I can do about that. And you can see there, it's just this part here is missing on the bike, so it looks terrible. It's the under the seat's exposed, and we'll just need to get that part ordered. Now, Triumph Newcastle has moved. It was a stone's throw from Newcastle city centre. It's now over the river in Gateshead, but I think it's still called Triumph Newcastle, and it's at the site of the old Harley Davidson dealership. That must have moved earlier this year, so I think there should be Triumph and Kawasaki there, but we'll find out today when we go. So let's go.
A few moments later.
back from the Triumph dealership now over Gateshead. Rear fairing replacement has been ordered, and it's also been booked in for a 24,000 mile major service. So that's in for November time, and we'll do a video on what the damage of that is. Hopefully it won't be too bad, but it's going to be a pricey one. So yeah, we'll collect that part, the fairing, later in the week, get it fitted, and we should be good. £253.12. That was the total bill for this OEM part for the Triumph. They did fit it for me, which is very nice of them, and it didn't take long to get the part in. But yeah, that's the price we're talking of when you need to order an OEM part for your bike. So try not to break them, people, because it's very expensive. There we are.